Is this not the little girl that adds comedy on YouTube?
Yes, sir. It's her.
What is your name?
Aunty Success.
I mean, what is your real name?
Aunty Success now.
What is your full name?
Aunty Success.
Principal, please don't mind this girl. Her full name is Success Madubike.
Aunty Success Madubike.
My friend, keep quiet.
And why did you leave your former school?
How can she be insulting me?
Success!
For what?
Run! Success! Run!
They said that I'm too smart for the teachers.
Principal, they chased us out of the school.
Daddy, no, no.
Shut up your mouth.
Anyway, let me tell you, if we must give you admission in this school, there are rules and regulations which you must abide by. First, you cannot insult a teacher here.
Okay.
But I can. I have the ability.
What did you say?
I said okay.
Secondly, you must not come to school late.
Tell my daddy.
She won't come to school late.
And thirdly, you must have good Christian values. Abi, una no dey go church?
We dey go.
We dey go.
Anyways, before we proceed with this admission, we must first test her IQ. It's a culture in this school.
Hey, Principal, can we skip that IQ question to the admission process? Please.
No. It is a culture in the school.
Okay.
Alright. Success.
Yes.
If you have a phone and a Bible, and both of them are falling, and you are to save one, which of them will you save? Is it the Bible or the phone?
It's not possible.
How do you mean?
The Bible app is in the phone, so they are together.
Please, let me have your phone. Success. This is your daddy's phone. And this is a Bible. Now I'm asking you, if this your daddy's phone and this Bible are falling at the same time, and you must save one as a Christian, which of them will you save? The Bible or your daddy's phone?
My daddy phone.
Success. I said if your daddy's phone is fallen and this Bible is falling at the same time with your daddy's phone, and you must save one, which of them will you save first?
The phone now.
Hey,
Come, Success, are you saying that you allowed the word of God to fall on the floor?
I don't know.
Uncle Sien, the word of God is unbreakable. You see, this is my daddy phone you are holding. It's Android. The screen is 15,000 naira. I believe you have sense.
Hey, I told you.
I should leave expensive phone and start catching Bible. Uncle, please ask me another question. I don't want to argue with you.
Hey, God, why? Principal, please, let's just go to the admission process. I'm begging you, please. Mabula Mike.
Oh, you want to do IQ test when you don't have IQ?
Gentlemen, I'm so sorry for keeping you people waiting. Success. This one you invited your compound people to my office.
Principal, please. We are not her compound people.
Okay.
I'm actually her dad, and this her uncle.
Exactly. Okay, that means he's your brother then.
No.
Prince Pansien, I don't want any problem. I I brought them so that they can bear me witness.
Success, what is it?
Ask my auntie.
Ha.
Auntie, what happened?
Sir, I don't know.
Success, what is the problem?
Principal say my auntie gave us English test and I passed it and she marked bad for me. Please help me ask her why she marked bad for me.
Yes, so.
Auntie, if you gave them tests in the class and she passed, why then did you fail her?
Sir, I gave them tests on English and she got it wrong. That is why I marked her bad.
Okay. Principal, take.
Success, I think what you're trying to spell here is physical.
Yes.
But your spelling here is wrong.
Auntie, what was the question?
Sir, I asked them to spell.
Wait! Auntie, what was the question you asked us?
Sir, the question was, how do you spell physical?
And success, you wrote F-I-S-I-C-A-L.
Success, the correct spelling for physical is P-H-Y-S-I-C-A-L. That is physical.
Auntie, that is your own spelling for physical.
Hey,
My own and your own are not the same.
Ha.
You asked me how do I spell physical, Abby? Is it your how? Is it your spell? Is it your physical? Auntie English teacher. See, you should better give my correct mark now. If not, this could not enter all of us. English teacher that cannot speak English, that one English teacher. After now, they'll say success that started.
Principal, please. I think there's an issue somewhere. I think I adopted that child. She's not actually my blood. Hey! What? Liar! Success! What are you doing home by this time? Have school closed?
No, my principal sent me home.
Why? Haven't I paid your school fees?
You've been now.
So what are you doing here? Ngwa, go back to school.
No, Daddy. My principal said I should not come back to school unless my mom or my daddy follow me.
Success, what did you do?
I not do anything, no.
You did not do anything?
Yes.
He just sent you home?
Yes.
Ngwa, let's go and see that principal. He will tell me why he sent a child home during school hours when she did not do anything. Principal, why will you send my child away from school during school hours while her mates are inside learning? And I've paid her school fees, oh.
Your daughter here is causing nuisance in this school.
What kind of nuisance can this child cause in this school that all of you cannot handle?
Papa Success, last week she broke somebody's pencil.
Pencil? I'll buy the pencil.
And yesterday she ate someone's eraser.
Success! You ate someone's eraser.
But Daddy, you did not give me money for lunch now.
You see?
So what did she do today?
Today, your daughter here said her teacher looks like a monkey.
Success! You said your teacher looks like a monkey.
I did not say that she looked like a monkey, you.
What happened?
I was on my own, no. So my teacher now said I should tell her my best pet. And I told her that my best pet is a monkey.
Okay.
So she now said I should describe the monkey. And I told her that the monkey have monkey ear, monkey nose, and monkey mouth. So she now flogged me 12 stroke of cane.
12?
Then she now said if I did not give her an example of how the monkey look, that she will flog me another 12 strokes. Then I now said that the monkey look like her.
Success! You said your teacher looks like a monkey.
Daddy, don't misquote me, yo. I did not say that she look like the monkey. I said that the monkey look like her.
But Success, why will you say such a thing now?
Daddy, you have not seen my teacher, oh. See my teacher there.
Hey. Success, is that your teacher?
Yes.
Principal, you mean that lady teaches children in this school?
What's the meaning of that?
Lao.
Daddy, see now. She doesn't need costume to play King Kong.
Me?
No. Madam,
just call me
please. Sorry.
What kind of nonsense is that?
See, madam, listen. See, she's just a
You
child.
just stand there with
She
her.
doesn't even know how to say the truth.
What truth? How can she be insulting me?
Success.
For what?
Run! Success! Run!
Mommy,
Eh?
this is the comedian and the MC.
Wow, you're welcome.
This is my wife Tobe.
Okay.
This is her mother.
Okay.
And that is her elder sister.
Wow.
They're my daughters.
That's
So
nice.
he's going to be handling the wedding tomorrow.
Okay.
Do you have the program?
Yes, I've printed it.
Come earlier.
Alright, no problem.
Make sure you're funny.
Tell Markangel to pay me.
Mommy, you save.
Your father is here.
Daddy is here.
In-law, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon,
My
sir.
son, how are you?
Fine, sir.
Dennison, K. Brown,
Yes, sir.
how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Emanuella, our celebrity, good to see you.
Thank you, sir.
So, you ready for the wedding?
Yes, sir.
You're planning big?
Yes, sir.
You know whose daughter you are marrying?
Yes, sir.
Sit down. Mother and daughters, what are you people doing?
Daddy, we are planning for the wedding.
Oh, the wedding.
Yes.
Where is the wedding service going to be?
Honey is at town hall.
Town Guinea.
Town hall now, the one you know.
Oh, so you people have conspired to disgrace me in public. Is that so?
Honey, how?
Oh, you're asking me how? As if you do not know who I am, a first class citizen in this country. And all my friends are first class friends. All the places you attended wedding of my friends' daughters, were they in a village town hall? They were all in a first class venue. Let me tell you one thing. It is either a first class venue for this wedding or no wedding.
Uncle.
But in-law, the venue is big enough.
Will you shut up your mouth there? You are not ashamed of yourself. You came to marry the daughter of a first class citizen and you want to take her to a village town hall. Now listen to me. It is either a first class venue or no wedding.
Hey!
Honey.
A first class venue. Uncle, don't worry. I'll arrange for your first class venue.
How? How are you going to do it?
Am I not a celebrity again? Uncle, don't worry. I have connections. I'll arrange for a first class venue.
Wow.
That's
That's
wonderful.
nice.
Okay, that's nice. Huh?
Daddy, what is it now? Is it because of the venue?
So, you and everybody in this house have conspired to disgrace me, for me to take my first class friends to a village town hall. It will never work for you people. I've told you, no first class venue, no wedding.
Daddy, don't worry. Emanuella have used her connection to get a first class venue for us.
Are you for real?
Yes, Daddy. You know I'm your daughter and I'll always make you proud.
I know you will make me proud. Markangel, what is this? Normal hall.
Oh no, in-law, it's not this hall, oh. It's not this hall. It's this way. This way. It's first class. It's first class. First class venue. In-law, don't worry. Just come this way. You people should follow me. Come. This way. This way. My people, our in-laws are here, oh. Where is the pastor? Let him come and start the wedding. In-law, we are here.
What is this?
In-law, this is the venue of the wedding.
Is this not primary school?
In-law, you said you needed a first class venue. So I used my connection to get this school. The principal here is my friend. This school doesn't have pre-nursery. It only has primary classes. And primary 1 is the first class here. So this is our first class venue.
Hey!
And in-law, I know that you are a first class citizen. So I invited my first class friends. Look at them, they're all in primary 1. See this one here, they're in primary 2. That's second class. Don't talk to them. Look at your class here. First class, primary 1.
Hey! I am finished. The governor is here. The governor is here. Hell.
Oh my God! My daughter! My daughter!
It's a faint of joy.
You should take care of her. Let me go and divert the governor.
Honey, where you going? Oh!
I'm coming.
Hey!